This is from the Bhagavad Gita. Lord Sri Krishna, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, along with Balarama, played like a human being, and so masked, he performed many superhuman acts. The Lord's appearance as a man bewilders the foolish. No human being could perform the wonderful acts that Krishna performed while he was present on this earth. When Krishna appeared before his father and mother, he appeared with 4 hands, but after the prayers of his parents, he transformed himself into an ordinary child. As stated, he became just like an ordinary child, an ordinary human being. Now here again it is indicated that the Lord's appearance as an ordinary human being is one of the features of his transcendental body. In the 11th chapter of Bhagavad Gita is also stated that Arjuna prayed to see Krishna's form of 4 hands. After revealing this form, Krishna, when petitioned by Arjuna, again assumed his original human-like form. These different features of the Supreme Lord are certainly not those of an ordinary human being. Some of those who deride Krishna and who are affected with the Maya Vedic philosophy quote the following verse to prove that Krishna is just an ordinary man. The Supreme is present in every living entity. We should better take note of this particular verse from the